weather, and we still have some rain and wind on the way.
Yeah, we got those red graphics going. This is a first alert designation for today. So I want to do a little explanation on why we did that, and we'll do a little bit of life history on the storm, because the rain we got this morning was not the reason. It's the rain that's about to come in over the next few hours. So just a quick look back. Let's go all the way to 5 a.m. when this started. So we're doing kind of a backtrack on the Futurecast. This was the rain you got today. This was out on the leading edge of the system out here in the warm front. Lighter rain, kind of widespread, and didn't last all that long. By the time we got to like 11 in the morning, that was done, and it was turning into decent snow in the Sierra. What's now about to come through is the actual cold front itself. That looks a little more impressive. So this will be more noticeable rain, and the North Bay is already experiencing that, and everybody else will over the next few hours. Another replay on that, slowing it down, more detail in 1 second. I'll show you what the rest of the night's going to look like. But first, here's what we've gotten so far. We've gotten about 7/10 of an inch of rain in the North Bay. San Francisco's already gotten 1/4 of an inch of rain. We haven't really gotten a whole lot in most other places. This is enough rain for places in the North Bay where you could get some ponding of water on roadways and maybe even some minor, like rural streams and creeks levels going up. But there are no flood advisories from this. It's not that bad, but it is impactful enough, especially with the here and now. So that's live, first alert drop. Let's put it in the Futurecast. You can see where the rain is. It's in the North Bay right now. So this is just now coming down to the Golden Gate, at which point the overwhelming majority of us will finally notice some of the better rain of the day. And that will come through between like 7 o'clock and like 9 o'clock. It's coming right over the city, peninsula, East Bay Shore. And then it gets down to the Santa Clara Valley by the time we get to around 10 o'clock. But you see that little notch right there? It's good rain here in the Santa Cruz Mountains, and then you get a little bit of a rain shadow right in there. See, there's not much falling. There's a really good example of it. So the rain shadow is kind of that classic feature that happens when the winds are oriented just right, that it forces the system to drop more rain in the Santa Cruz Mountains, leaving less for the valley. And then the showers pick up again as they go into the southern edge of the Diablo Range there and hit Mount Hamilton. And all right, so that's the story on the rain. It'll be done by about 1 or 2 in the morning tomorrow. And we'll look at totals again in 1 second. But up in the Sierra is the other story. We talked about the avalanche warning for the entire Tahoe Basin. Goes until tomorrow evening, just because of the nature of the snowpack. And we're putting some wet, heavy snow on top of kind of that weak, fractured layer that can slide. Snow level got down to around 5,000 feet. We're pretty much seeing that. The majority of the snow in the Sierra for today has already fallen, but there's still a little bit more to go now as this front sweeps through. And then as we go into tomorrow, things will quiet down. And just for review, because they don't issue them all that often, they haven't issued one of these yet, even last week when we had one. This is the avalanche warning, and you can see the Tahoe Basin. You've got Heavenly here, Mount Rose there, Palisades. All of the well-known resorts are well within that boundary. One other item to tonight's system is it gets a little windy. So as the better organized rain comes through, that's right along the cold front, and that's where you find the strongest winds, which are kind of rushing out in front of it. No wind advisory from this, but it's going to be just about as strong as the last 3 storms. So think back to how the wind played a factor for you over those last 3 storms. This should be very similar. Some of us didn't even notice. But if you're up in the hills, some broken branches, maybe an occasional flying debris, and that should be about it. That's the wind story. In terms of rainfall still to go, just want to show you what the accumulations are going to look like here, because we skipped over that. So we'll start out by taking a look at the North Bay. Remember, you've already gotten 6/10 of an inch of rain up there. And so you've got another perhaps ½ an inch of rain to go. And when we look at the totals here for everybody else, not a whole lot. Look at that rain shadow from Mountain View, 0.12 of an inch of rain. Maybe San Jose will come away with about 1/4 of an inch of rain. All right, 7-day forecast. There's another system coming our way, but it does not look impressive. But you'll see it on Tuesday. A few light showers are possible as we get there. Maybe another system as we approach Friday and Saturday of next week. All right.